Hi, I want to just stop in and tell you something that I started doing about a month ago. It's I wash up my bananas and they now last 8 days. That's an amazing feat for me because they usually get spotty and turn brown within 4 to 5 days after I bring them home. But now they last 8 days, and it's by doing one thing. That's all I had to do, and that's I wash off my bananas. Take a look. When you get home, wash the ripening agent off your banana. Bananas come with a ripening agent that needs to be washed off. So, wash them off, and they will last longer. They will last 2 to 3 days longer than regular. Then dry them and let them dry out. And there you go. Your bananas will last 2 or 3 days longer than they would if you didn't wash off the ripening agent.